Hello, here is a question for Primary 6 on fractions. Mr. Ahmad, a canteen vendor, had a container completely filled with oil. On the first day, he used 1 liter more than half of the original amount of oil in the container for his cooking. On the second day, he used 2 liters more than 1/3 of the remaining oil in the container. On the third day, he used 6 liters more than 1/7 of the oil left in the container. In the end, there were 6 liters of oil in the container. How many liters of oil were there in the container at first? We will first highlight all the important facts in the question. One liter more than half of the original amount. 2 liters more than 1/3 of the remaining amount. 6 liters more than 1/7 of the oil left, and 6 liters. For this question, we would need to draw the models first to help us solve the problem. This is half, and this would be 1 liter for day 1. Liter. So day 1 is up to this part here. Day 1. We will now draw the arrows to show the half portion of the model. So this is half, and this is another half. Next, we are told that for day 2, he used 2 liters more than 1/3 of the remaining oil. So we need to divide the remaining part into 3 units so that we can get 1/3 of the model. So this would be 1, 2, 3 equal parts. And we know that Mr. Ahmad used 2 liters more than 1/3 of the remaining oil. So this would be 2 liters. This is 1/3 of the remaining oil. So day 2 would be from here to just after 2 liters here. So this would be day 2. For day 3, we were told that he used 6 liters more than 1/7 of the remaining oil. So to get 1/7, we have to divide the remaining portions here and here into 7 units so that we can get 1/7. So we shall erase the dividing line here so that we can get 7 units. We shall draw the line again. Alright, so now we will divide this into 7 equal units. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We shall divide it equally. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're supposed to be equal parts. So this would be 1/7. And we are told that he also used 6 liters more than 1/7. So this would be 6 liters. We are also told that in the end there was still 6 liters of oil in the container. So the remaining portion here would be 6 liters also. After we have divided the parts here into 7 units and have used 1/7 here, we can see that the remaining units equal to 12 liters. That means the remaining units are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the 6 units equal 12 liters. 6 plus 6 liters. So this would be our first statement. 6 units equal 12 liters. So 1 unit would give us 12 divided by 6, 2 liters. So if 1 unit equal 2 liters, we can find 7 units. 7 units would equal 7 times 2 liters, and we get 14 liters. So 14 liters would be from here right up to here. So this is 14 liters. Next, we can actually add 2 liters to 14 liters, so we can get the total amount for this portion here. So if this is 1/3, this would be 2/3. And 2/3 would be 14 liters plus 2 liters. That would give us 16 liters. And if 2/3 equals 16 liters, 1/3 would be 16 liters divided by 2 parts. That would give us 8 liters. So 1/3 part is 8 liters here. We can actually find 3 parts. So 3 parts equals 3 parts equal 8 liters times 3. This is 24 liters. So 24 liters would be from here right up to here. So this is 24 liters. If you add 24 liters to 1 liter here, we will get 25 liters. 24 plus 1 liter will give us 25 liters. If you look carefully at the model, 25 liters is actually half of day 1's model. So to find the amount of oil in the container at first, we will take 25 liters times 2, and this would give us 50 liters. So going back to the question, how many liters of oil were there in the container at first? Your answer would be, there were 50 liters of oil at first. Thank you.